So, how did I come up with the idea for The Chain Broke? The story might be a little bit less exciting than you might think. I came up with the idea for The Chain Broke simply out of necessity. In late 2016, a group of guys and I won a game jam. It was called the OFF Game Jam, and the game was called Once Upon a City. We were so excited by this idea that we thought, let's make a full game out of our little game jam idea. So we started immediately, and for 4 months, it went pretty well. That was until I eventually became the only one working on the project. The other members of the group simply went their way. They either got jobs or they got interested in the project. Whatever the reason, they chose to discontinue the work on the project. So in early 2017, I had a simple AI construct that I've been working on for that other game and an idea. See, when you make an AI in Unity using what's called the nav mesh system, you have a bit of an issue. The animations of the AI look wonky, weird. And I figured out that I could work with this odd animation glitch. Rather than trying to program my way around this weird animation issue, the only way I could do that was if I changed the enemy type. So rather than being just a normal dude, I decided that the enemy type that I was going to be working with in this new game, The Chain Broke, would be a robot. Everything basically sprang from the Unity nav mesh issue. So I've been working on The Chain Broke for just over a year now, and I am inching my way towards a beta. So subscribe to this channel if you want to know more about The Chain Broke. And I hope to see more of you, and you will definitely see more of me.